Okay, what's going on, guys? Back at you with another video after a long time since I really sat down and recorded an actual video. Decided to change the name to Greggy P Reviews. Still the same guy. I've been making videos for over 10 years now. Product reviews, tech videos, collectibles, pet videos. I do a lot of different videos, but I covered the massage guns a while back. I covered the original Theragun, and I covered some of its competitors, some would say. What I ended up finding was the Theragun was really the best in its class. Even though it was the most expensive, the Theragun really just beats all the competition, or at least it did. But I'm having an issue with my Theragun Pro. Now they've changed the name to Therabody, but this is not a review about this product, but this is the Therabody Theragun Pro Plus. So a lot of name changes going on. I'm changing my name, Theragun is changing their name. But anyways, this thing was pretty revolutionary because the attachments that you can actually get have changed. It has an ice attachment, it has a heat attachment, it has a vibration attachment, it has a bunch of different attachments, and they changed it to USB-C charging. The battery is no longer removable. The head is no longer adjustable. It used to have like a little neck that you could adjust the head. All that's gone, but they did replace it with these awesome heads, which I really like. As you can see, you've got this really awesome color screen. And thank God this thing has it, because the massage head, the heat one, which is one of the ones that I use the most, was no longer working. So I wanted to be able to show you guys a really easy way if this ends up happening to you. I was getting an exclamation point. It said heat no longer working. And I tried a whole bunch of different things. I tried to clean it. I tried to contact Therabody or Theragun, and they unfortunately really didn't want to help me. I think I was just barely out of warranty, but they pretty much just dismissed it altogether. But I want to let you guys know I did figure out a way. I've got this thing working again, and I'm super excited. So just in the hopes that I might help any of you guys get through this and not abandon the heat head, because I really do love using this. So I'm going to show you really quick what worked for me to get this thing working again. So, okay, so you're in this quick start menu right here, right in the beginning. Make sure you can see that. And it has some different modes because this one has Bluetooth and everything like that. And then you just want to go to your settings, and it'll basically show your device. And you just click here and then hit reset right there. Boom. The moment I reset this, the heat function started working again, and that makes complete sense because this thing was not damaged. I keep it clean. It even has an area where you can put some lubrication so that the massage head percusses correctly. So I was able to reset this and get it working. And I really wish when I messaged Therabody that they would have just told me to try to reset it. I mean, that is like customer service, like at the bare minimum. You know, I get it, they want you to buy a new device, but this was like a brand new device. It's got all the latest features. It's got red light, it's got USB-C, it's got massage heads, and it's got an ice head that you can buy separately, and the heat head came with it. So with that awesome touchscreen and all these features, I've been really enjoying using this Theragun. But without the freaking heat head, I was a little bit upset because that heat is really awesome. I know right now I'm still driving a truck full time, so I get a lot of shoulder pain, a lot of tension in my neck, and having the heat head really works out really well. I do love this one so much better than the original. That's not to say that some of these newer features aren't a little bit annoying, like the fact that you can't adjust the head, you can't remove the batteries, and you do have some of these newer issues that you're running into with these new heads because they obviously have more electronic components. They're bound to probably fail. Like mine is already trying to fail even though there's nothing wrong with it. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if you do download the Therabody app, you might even be able to reset this thing from the app. I actually haven't tried it. I really don't use the Bluetooth functionality that often, but it does have some like guided meditation and guided rests before you go to bed that you can do, and you can follow along on your phone. So I think this is a really awesome, amazing product, very helpful for someone like me. and I hope this video helped you out. Like I said, guys, I have been making videos for over 10 years, so I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. By the way, I did move into a new house. That's the reason I haven't been able to upload videos. I've been strictly uploading videos with companies that I'm working with, uploading them to Amazon Shopping, and I'm trying to get them, edited a little bit differently so I can post them on YouTube Shorts. But in the meantime, I have still been, doing my collectibles, my trading cards, my coins, and I have been doing tons of upgrades on the house. We've been painting, I've been upgrading the plumbing. I did the kitchen floor. We did really all the entire kitchen. It really looks amazing. But that is the main reason that I haven't been able to record so much. There has been a ton of stuff going on. But here I am today, able to make videos. So I am here blessed by God and happy to be here with all of you guys. And definitely use the links below to shop. Like the video, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Greggy P Reviews. I'm out. Peace.